Foley work is an art form. Wah! Wah! It is a skill like none other that takes a very many years to truly understand. Hello, my name is Darren Flick, and I am a Foley artist. When doing Foley work, it is very important to both understand how to find sounds and how to create sounds. I like to start in my own home, where I let sounds find me. Car crash. Occasionally, you will have to create sounds. I like to start with an item and a surface to see what magic happens when they are brought together. Sometimes you may even need to use your voice. In which case it is good to have a strong understanding of the various sounds you can produce.
Cabbage, 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 cabbage.
If you take this course, you must be serious about sound work in the industry.
Meow, meow, meow.
However, by the end of this course, you will be able to find sounds, create sounds, and identify sounds.
Horse.
This is my masterclass.
Meow.